Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by preparing your device and files before enabling sleep mode. Save all open documents and close unnecessary apps to prevent data loss. On Windows, click the Start menu, then select Settings and System. On Mac OS, open the Apple menu, then choose System Settings and Lock Screen. On mobile, open Settings and tap Display or Battery to find sleep options. These steps ensure stable configuration and prevent interruptions during sleep mode activation. Now configure sleep timing and conditions inside the Sleep Settings panel. Choose a timeout value that balances energy savings and convenience, like 15 minutes for screens. Select when plugged in and on battery options separately to control behavior precisely. Enable hybrid sleep or hibernate only if you need fast resume or full memory save. Disable background processes that may block sleep, including downloads and active backups. Confirm changes by testing sleep manually, and wake to verify expected behavior. Troubleshoot common sleep issues if your device refuses to enter sleep reliably. Check power plan settings and driver updates, especially graphics and network adapters. Run the Power Troubleshooter on Windows or reset SMC on Mac to resolve firmware problems. Inspect peripheral devices because USB mice or external drives can prevent sleep. Consider changing wake timers or disabling wake on LAN to stop unintended wake-ups. Keep your operating system updated.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.